Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts and reduce Shorts content on your YouTube app. Follow these simple steps and let's get started. First update, your YouTube app to the latest version. Now click on gear icon. Click Settings. Click on Time Management. Set it to 0 minutes. That's it. That's how you can reduce or disable YouTube Shorts recommendations on YouTube. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.